Dean, why New York?
Well, Lauri, as you remember, New York is a very special place for you and me. We're married and know each other almost 50 years. So if you think about it, in the early 70s, we were going to New York. It was a real gritty, gang-bustered place, and it started with memories at that time. And you and I walked the streets, and we saw the buildings, and whether it was a Flatiron building or the Empire State Building, all of these things made an image to me. In a previous episode, I've explained why it's so important for me to make a three-dimensional graphic like this. Well, it's all my past background. I took the graphic arts, I did the drafting, I understood 3 dimensions, and now I'm kind of developing it with a certain curiosity. I use halftones because New York is associated with newspapers, and newspaper pictures are made in halftones. And New York only came to be because it used to be Indian tribal land, and then it became flat farmland and swamps. And New York couldn't develop if it wasn't for the Iron Age, America's and the world's new steel industries. Everything that has been recreated and continues on a daily basis to be the city that never sleeps is because of iron. So when our our 2 World Trade Center towers came down, that was the impetus for trying to develop what was New York. Is it about the grieving of the fact that people died in the towers because of terrorism? Yes, but that's not the first time it happened. Okay, you can go back historically in New York City about the gangs, about the tribal issues, about the different neighborhoods and why they developed, about the formation of the subways and the metro. Okay, it's all about steel. And so this was about the city of steel. It's an ode to the recurring city of steel. And that is what it is so important for me about New York City.